What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you meme coin that could be a next Pepe coin. But before I'm going to show you the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So this project, it's called Pork Coin. So Pork Coin, it's like a forked Pepe, like they split or fork, and that's where the pork came out. So the Pork Coin is like a 1 month old coin, and you can get some information from either CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. And let's pull up really quick CoinGecko. So right here, as you can see at the time of recording this video, this is like a fraction of a penny, and the entire supply is 420 trillion. And then if we scroll down, as you can see right here, from all times low, this coin is only up 419% since this coin was actually listed on CoinGecko. So maybe it's a little more than that, but this coin still hasn't reached its entire potential. Plus, we're just at the beginning of the bull run. I think this coin still has a lot of room to grow. And then if we take a look at 24-hour trading volume, as you can see, almost 20 million of trading in 24 hours. So this is really awesome. And since a lot of people are jumping on the meme coins, this meme coin can do very, very well. And then if we take a look at their marketplaces, as you can see right here, where exactly you can purchase this meme coin: Gate.io, Uniswap, CoinW, BingX, MEXC, BitGet, and then few other ones. So if you don't want to pay crazy fees right now from Uniswap, you can just purchase this one on centralized exchange. And then if we take a look at DEX tools really quick, as you can see right here, how many holders actually hold this token. Over 30,000 holders hold this token, and looks like today it had a little run up. Not too crazy, but I think this token could be a next Pepe coin specifically for this bull run. And this is pretty much it. Don't forget, always do your own research. Thanks for watching.